Hello, kids! Today, let's learn about some yummy and healthy vegetables. First, we have the tomato. It's red and juicy. Next is the onion, which can make you cry, but it tastes so good in food. Then there's the potato, which we can turn into yummy fries. How about cauliflower? It looks like a little white tree. Look at this big orange vegetable. It's a pumpkin. Ever seen a long green bottle gourd? It's super healthy. The cabbage has lots of leaves. You can eat it in salads. Here's a crunchy carrot. It's bright orange and great for your eyes. This is broccoli. It's another green veggie that looks like a tiny tree. And this is a purple vegetable called brinjal, also known as eggplant. Be careful with the chili, it's spicy. Look at the fresh green coriander. We sprinkle it on our food. And finally, we have corn. It's sweet and delicious. That's all for today, kids. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to eat your vegetables to stay strong and healthy. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. Bye-bye.